Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Trump Media and Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 24th of April, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 17th of April, 2025, our system has categorized Trump Media and Technology Group as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.22. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 18.65% since we initially advised purchasing Trump Media and Technology Group 5 days ago. This equates to an average return of 3.73% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock is positioned at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This situation typically presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. If there is a breakout above the top trend line at $26.17, it will first indicate a slower rate of decline and may signify the initial stages of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of 33.05% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 63.31% to negative 33%. In the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 27.56%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 93.24% to positive 20.59% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $1.77 and $31.53. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline, Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price ended at $26.15 on Thursday, after losing 0.87%. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price fell by 0.87% on the last day, which was Thursday, the 24th of April, 2025. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 5.13%, ranging from a day low of $25.44 to a day high of $26.74. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 29.01% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day along with the stock, which is typically a positive sign, as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 7 million shares, with a total of 8 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $208.55 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $56.55, while the lowest price was $11.75. Currently, the price is 53.76%, or $30.40, below the 52-week high, and 67.06%, or $53.23, below the all-time high on March 26, 2024, when the price reached $79.38. Trump Media and Technology Group, symbol DJT, is making headlines with significant stock movement. As of the 23rd of April, the stock surged by over 10% amidst a general bullish sentiment in the market, increasing the stock's momentum, which has seen gains of approximately 25% over the past week. This rally is largely attributed to a strategic partnership with Crypto.com and Yorkville America Digital, aimed at launching a series of exchange-traded funds through its fintech wing, Truth.Fi. The company is actively diversifying its revenue streams, pivoting toward cryptocurrency and financial services, which could lead to sustained investor interest and a more robust financial foundation in the long term. However, despite this optimism, investors should remain cautious. The stock's 200-day moving average signals a potential need for vigilance due to previous volatility and allegations of market manipulation linked to short-selling activities involving a hedge fund. This backdrop of aggressive expansion juxtaposed with regulatory scrutiny creates a complex scenario for DJT's stock. In the short term, positive market sentiment and strategic partnerships could drive price increases. In the long term, successfully navigating regulatory challenges and sustaining growth will be critical in maintaining investor confidence and stock stability. Analysts have assigned the Trump Media and Technology Group stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock shows buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal is present due to the short-term average being above the long-term average. In the event of corrections downward, support can be expected at $22.92 and $20.44. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has been generated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was registered from a pivot top point on Wednesday, April 23, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 0.87%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. During the last trading day, volume decreased alongside the price, which helps mitigate overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 43 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 4 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 52 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 47 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $22.87 and $22.04. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as a breakdown could lead the stock to the next support level. In this case, Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation finds support just below today's level at $22.87. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $22.04 and $20.27. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.30 between its high and low, which is a change of 5.13%. For the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 9.60%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profits and potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $26.38. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to contemplate for swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group faces its first support level at $22.87. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. the combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 11th of March, 2025, Eric Swider conducted an insider sale of 5,000 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.01/10,000 per share. On the 12th of March, 2025, Eric Swider conducted an insider sale of 10,000 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.01/10,000 per share. On the 10th of March, 2025, Philip Juhan conducted an insider sale of 11,805 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.01/10,000 per share. On the 10th of March, 2025, Philip Juhan conducted another insider sale of 8,954 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.01/10,000 per share. On the 10th of March, 2025, Philip Juhan also conducted an insider sale of 300 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.01/10,000 per share. Based on the 55 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of 21.185. Overall, insiders purchased 226,177,920 shares and sold 115,754,142 shares in the last 55 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $25.15, which represents a decline of 3.83%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, resulting in a high level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has been triggered from a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good investment? Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation displays several positive indicators. However, these alone do not justify a purchase at this time. Currently, it is advisable to consider it a hold candidate, meaning you may wish to retain or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. Upon analyzing the volatility and market movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 25th of April, we anticipate that Trump Media and Technology Group will open lower by approximately 3.85 cents, beginning trade at $26.11. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.